Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So now we are going to discuss about the Scrum-Crystal feature-driven development approach in software engineering lifecycle. So let's we discuss. So the first approach is Scrum. So it is the type of agile framework, and it is a framework within which people can address complex adaptive problems while productivity and creativity of delivering the product is at highest possible values. So this Scrum uses iterative process, and the silent features are it is a lightweighted framework and it emphasizes the self-organization, and the third one is it is simple to understand, and the fourth one is framework which helps to the team to work together. So these are the features of Scrum. And the life cycle of Scrum is, so there are 6 types. So there are sprint, release, sprint review, and sprint retrospective, and product backlog, and sprint backlog. So let's we discuss one by one. So the first one is sprint. A sprint is the time box of 1 month or less. A new sprint starts immediately after the completion of the previous sprint. And second one is release. So when the product is completed, it goes to the release stage. So and the third process is sprint review. So if the product still has some non-achievable feature, so it will be checked in the stage and then pass to the sprint retrospective stage. And next one is sprint retrospective. So in this stage, the quality or status of the product is checked. And next one is product backlog. So according to the prioritized features, the product is organized. And next one is sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is divided into 2 parts. So the product assigned features to sprint and the sprint planning meeting. So next approach is Crystal. So this method is an agile framework that is considered a lightweight or agile methodology, so which is focused on the individual and their interactions. So these methods are color coded to significant risk to human life. So the properties of Crystal Agile framework are frequent deliver, reflective improvement, personal safety, focus, and easy access to expert users. So the frequent delivery means, so it allows you regularly deliver the products and test code to real users. So without this, you might build a product that nobody needs. So the second property is reflective improvements. So no matter how good you have done or how bad you have done. And third property is personal safety. So there are no bad suggestions in a Crystal team. So the team members should feel safe to discuss their ideas openly without any fear. And the fourth one is focus. So each member of the team knows exactly what to do, and which enables them to focus their attention. And the last property is easy access to expert users. So it enhances the team communication with users and get regular feedback from real users. And next approach is features driven development approach. So it is also called as a FDD. So it is an agile, iterative, and incremental model, and which is focused on progressing the feature of the developing software. So the main motive of feature driven development is to provide a timely update and working software to the client. So the FDT life cycles, it represent a key model list. So there are build overall model, build feature list, plan by feature, and design by feature, and build by features. So Let's we discuss one by one. So the first one is developer model. So the overall model is created by the chief or another professional leading the project by identifying the scope and context of the system. And the second one is build a list of features. So the developers brainstorm a list of potential items so that would be useful to users and could be completed along a set timeline for release. And third one is plan out each features. So the features are organized by how long they take to create and how important they are to the client. And the fourth one is design each features. So the actual detail of each features are produced, inspected and finalized. And the last one is build each features. So after the design is improved, the completed feature is added to the official build for delivered to the client. So these are the Scrum-Crystal and feature driven development approaches in software lifecycle. So these are the assessment and these are the reference. Thank you.